All right, here we are again. It's Cope Brennan with Southwest Shooting Authority. We haven't done a video in quite a while, so we thought we'd do something a little bit different today. There's been some discussion over this weekend about how well these real light bullets will do. So these are civil defense 50 grain bullets, supposed to go 2,000 feet a second out of a 9mm. We're using a Glock 26. We're using what would be a typical concealed carry gun, 3 or 4 yards away here. Nothing too fancy. Um, we're shooting into some pork shoulders, fresh pork shoulders. But we want to see what kind of penetration, what kind of tissue damage we get out of these light bullets. So, ready, eyes and ears. Zach's with us. You got your ears on?
Sure.
All right, let's try one of these and see what it does. All right, then we'll just set that right there. Let's see what we got. Best we can determine here, it looks like it came in at an angle right here, hit the bone, and there's a piece of it right there. That's how well it held together. Got that little piece out of it. Looks like it hit a bone, ricocheted out, and come apart, left that little piece in the meat, and the rest of it's gone. Looks to me like it ricocheted right out of there. We can't find any trace of it except that one little piece there. We might shoot that one again here in a minute. All right, we're going to try it again with a 100, I think these are 124 grain Spear gold dots. Same gun, same distance, different shoulder. Piece of it got slung out here. What it appears like has happened here is the bullet entered, went through here, smashed the bone, and you could kind of see the exit hole where it came out right there. So it traveled the full length of it diagonally and broke the bones, went out into the bushes over there. We don't know where it went after that. So let's try one of those Hornadies that you have. Decided to extend this a little bit. We're going to try a little bit more. We're putting the two shoulders together again and trying one of the civil defense 50 grain. These are plus P loads for the 9mm. Got two of them together. We'll see if we can catch the bullet and see what it looks like. Eyes and ears.
The report on that's quite heavy.
Yeah.